how to turn off Twitter X sensitive content on iPhone. So through the X app, you actually can't go through your settings and privacy and adjust these settings. So what you have to do is go through a browser. So what we're going to do is come out of X. I'm going to use Chrome. You can also use Safari as well. Make sure to go onto x.com and log on to your account. So once you're there, go to the profile page at the top left-hand corner and then scroll down to where you see settings and privacy. So from here, what you want to do is look further down the page and go to where it says privacy and safety and go to content that you see and go to search settings. So from here, all you have to do is check the box where it says hide sensitive content and it's being updated automatically. You can also back out of here, and then at the very top where it says display media that may contain sensitive content is checked on. You can also check that off, and there you go. It's that simple.